Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to make a bird feeder for our lovely birds which can find their food in the harsh condition like scorching summer, winter and rainy season. So let's make these lovely birds a frequent visitor to our home. So today I will be making two bird feeders, and the material required for the first bird feeder is a rectangular box, a cutter, a marker pen, a twig to give a natural look to the feeder, a wooden spoon, a plastic bottle and some colors for coloring this bird feeder which I will be making. First you have to take the marker and you have to mark here with the help of a marker, and you have to cut this piece of this rectangular box, and you have to put a cut over here also, and on the top of the lid of this box you have to make a hole, and you have to make two holes to tie the thread. So with the help of the cutter I have made a hole over here and two small hole to tie the thread, and I have made a cut here also, and I have put a cut over here. Now we have to paint the bird feeder, so I am using the white color to first make the base white. See, you can color the bird feeder with the white color as I am doing. So I have painted the whole box and let it dry for a few minutes. As I am not a good painter, I'll just try to make some design on this bird feeder. So I'm using the red color to make design on this bird feeder. So now I have painted the bird feeder. Now I will keep it for a few minutes to let the paint dry. Now I have taken a plastic bottle and I'll start cutting the plastic bottle from here. And will remove this. Now I'm taking this wooden spoon and I'll break this wooden spoon, and this wooden spoon I will be using to put here in the bird feeder, and the handle of this wooden spoon I will break it into two pieces, and now I'll be putting this inside the bird feeder. Like this you have to place, and the other one I'll be putting it inside. So now I have placed the two sticks over here, and to give a natural look to the bird feeder I have just placed a twig on the upper portion of the bird feeder, and the bottle which I had cut I have put it so that I can put the grains from this portion. Now this spoon I will be placing it here, and now only the last thing which is left is to put the thread so that we can hang the bird feeder. Now I have tied the thread on the both corners, and now the bird feeder is ready to be used. So now I will be putting some grains in the feeder from here. Now let's see how to make the second bird feeder. The material required is, first we'll take the coconut shell, and we have to take a metal bangle, ribbon. I'm using this red ribbon because in my home I have the red ribbon. You can use any colored ribbon or a jute thin rope, and these are the strips of the cotton which I have taken out from the discarded undershirt. Now I have taken the metal bangle. Now I'll show you how to wrap the ribbon around the metal bangle. So one end, just hold it with your hand, and with the second hand wrap the ribbon around the metal bangle. Now take 8 cotton strips and tie a knot at one end. Now I have spread all the 8 cotton strips, and I'll be taking 2 of these strips and I'll be tying a knot like this. Now I have tied all the knots, and you can hold all the strips and tie it on the other end and make a knot. Now you can see the feeder hanger is ready, and I have put the metal bangle as a stand on this bird feeder. Now I'll be putting the coconut shell. Now to give a natural look to the bird feeder, I have pasted leaves on the bangle, and this bird feeder is ready. Now I'm going to put this bird feeder outside my house. Hope you will be making these type of bird feeders in your home and placing them outside your house. Thank you for watching my video.